Hello everybody, in today's video I will guide you on how to apply for the American Express Gold Card. Number one, check your credit score. Before applying, it's essential to ensure your credit score is in a good standing, as American Express typically requires applicants to have a good to excellent credit score 670 and above. You can check your credit score through various online platforms or credit bureaus. Number two, elevate your needs and eligibility. American Express Gold Card offers rewarding on dining, groceries, and air travel, among other benefits. Make sure this aligns with your spending habits. Review the annual fee. Consider whether the card's annual fee is justifiable for use based on the benefits and rewards you expect to use. Eligibility criteria. Make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria such as age, usually 18 plus, US social security number, and clear credit history. That's very important to have before you even think of applying to it. Prepare necessary information. When applying, you will need to provide personal and financial information, including your full name and date of birth, your social security number, your email address and phone number, your home address, annual income and source of income, employment status, monthly housing rent payments. Number four is to apply online. Go to the official American Express website and navigate to the Gold Card page. Uh, Complete the application form with the necessary information. Review all details for accuracy to prevent delays. And then submit your application. After reviewing, submit your application. You may receive an instant decision. However, some applications may require further review. So it may take some days for them to approve you. Application review. If your application isn't instantly approved, it may take, like you can see here, a few days to a few weeks for American Express to review your application. During this period, they may contact you for additional information for their security. So respond to the further inquiries. If American Express requests additional information, respond promptly to avoid delays in your application process. 7. Receive your card. Once approved, you will receive your American Express Gold Card by email. Follow these instructions provided with your card to activate it. So you basically will get a paper that have some instructions how to activate the card. So set up the online access, register for online access on the American Express website to manage your account, view statements, and track rewards. So additional tips, be sure to understand the terms, fees, and interest rates, if applicable, associated with the card. If you want to add others to your account, check the terms of additional card holders. Plan your spending, strategize your spending to maximize rewards and benefits. So make sure to follow this step, and you will get the best chance possible to get the American Express Gold Card. So thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful, and see you in the next one.